Hi guys, and in today's lesson we're going to talk about the C major scale. Okay, the C major scale consists of C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, and let's talk about the relationship between each note. So from C to D is a whole step. And what do I mean by a whole step? I mean 2 frets away from each other. So C, C sharp, D. So if you check this out, a whole step is 2 frets away, and a half step is 1 fret away. But because we're going from a closed note to an open note, it will look like that. C to D is a whole step, D to E is a whole step, E to F is a half step, F to G is a whole step, G to A is a whole step, A to B is a whole step, and B to C is a half step. So you only have 2 half steps from E to F and from B to C. So there you have it, your C major scale. 3rd fret, 5th string, open string 4th, 2nd fret, 4th string, 3rd fret, 4th string, open 3rd string, 2nd fret, 3rd string, open 2nd, and 1st fret, 2nd string. All right, there's your 1-minute tutorial. Bye.